Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to give the user input and user have to take an inputs and user inputs and user need to print the user inputs in ascending order and the descending order. So user need to print the user inputs in ascending order and the descending order. So which means, for example, I have given n as 4 and I have to take 4 user inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output should be like this one. The output should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to print in ascending order and the descending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ascending order, and the second line you have to print 4, 3, 2, 1 in the descending order. So I hope you understand how to do how the problem is. So let's get into the code. I hope you understand the problem statement. So let's write the code. Import java.util.star and I will take scanner. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in, and here I will take int n is equal to sc.nextInt, and I will provide, I will take while loop here. I will take while loop here, and I should be less than n. So here I will take I value int I is equal to 0. It should start from 0. It should start from 0, and I will open while loop. I will open while loop, and I will give here I will take number as a, so we can take two variables, like we can take two variables like I is equal to 0, I is a one variable, and we can do comma, we can put comma, and we can take another variable also and num. But I did not initialize with any value. But I did not initialize with any value. But I have initialized the I value with 0. But here I did not initialize anything. But here I will initialize here. Num is equal to sc dot nextInt. Sc dot nextInt. So first of all, I have to take a user input. I have to traverse up to n, and I have to take each time I have to take value, right? So each time 1, 2, 3, 4, I have to take value. I have to take value. So after taking that value, I have to store it in. I have to store it in the sum variable. So I will take int sum is equal to 0. So in the previous problem, I have told you, right, how to get this number, how to get this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that logic, right? So we have to take some variable and we have to write the logic. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus num. It's 10 plus num. So why I have written sum is equal to sum into 10 plus num. So it will do the, like it will take the first number and shift it to the sum variable. It will shift it to the sum variable. So like first of all it will take 1, after that it will come 12, after it will come 123, and after it will come 1 2 3 4. I hope you understand. Like in the previous class, I have explained this logic. So if you don't watch that video, please watch that video. You can understand. And so I have taken I less than len n, and I have taken I value 0, and I have taken num because I have to take each time a user input. So that's why I have taken num, and I have to store, like I have to store the each number in the sum variable. And after that, I will do I plus plus. And after that, I will do I plus plus. I plus plus. And after that, all the things happen. We come out of the loop. All the iteration completed, I will come out of the loop, and I will print the sum. I will print the sum. So let's see, did we get the required output or not? For example, I have given 4. I have to give 4 inputs: 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I have written the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 So here, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But we have to get 4, 3, 2, 1 also. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 also. The reverse of that number. So that's why I will create some function. I will create a reverse function, reverse order function, and I will pass some. I will pass some. I will pass some. Why I'm passing some? Because I have to reverse this number, right? I have to reverse this number. Why? Because we have to reverse this number. We should not pass n. We should not pass n. Because why? Because the n value is 4. But we have to reverse this number. So that's why I'm passing some. We should not pass n. We should pass only sum. Why? Why? Because we have to reverse this number, not this number. So I am creating a function, reverse order function, and it should return the integer. It should return the integer. Public static and reverse order. So it should not return anything, right? So we are not printing anything. So that's why we have to write void only. We have to write only void only. So int num. So I'm getting the num, and I will take int I is equal to 0, and I will open while loop. It should be I less than n, and I will take unit digits. Unit digit is equal to n mod 10, and I will take remainder also. I will take remainder, so I will get the last digit. So I'm taking remainder equal to 0, and I will do remainder equal to. So what I'm doing is I am taking the I value 0, and I'm entering the while loop. That's it. It should traverse up to I less than n, and I will take the last digit. I will take 4. I will take 4, and I will do the same logic. I'll do the same logic, just unit digit. So it will add, like it will add now. So now it will add from 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. So I'm taking the, so here what I have given the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4. But here I'm taking the last digit 4, 3, 2, 1. So and more time it will take 4, and after that it will take 3, and after that it will take 2, after that it will take 1. So I'm taking the last digit. So what I will do? N is equal to, so here num, right? You have to take num only. So here I am taking num. That's why you have to take num, and here also num. Num is equal to num by 10. So what it will take? It will remove the last digit. It will remove last digit every time, and it will traverse up to 1. It will traverse up to 1. And after that, I will print the remainder. I will print the remainder. System dot out dot system dot out dot println remainder. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Let's run the program. I think everything is correct. So there is no error, and I will give input 4 as an input, and I will give 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we got the output 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1. So what I did, I have given a number n, and I have given number n, and I have traverse I less than n, where I have initialized I is equal to 0. So the I should be starting from 0 and 0 less than n. And here I am taking a num as an user input. So num as a new input. Where num came? So I have declared num here. So I have declared the num variable, and I have to store that number, each number, like 1, 2, 3, 4 as a one number, right? So I have to store. How can I store? By using sum is equal to sum into 10 plus num. So if you traverse like this, one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, then all these numbers will be attached like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each time I am doing I plus plus, because each time I is equal to 0, I will take 1, I is equal to 1, I will take 2, I is equal to 2, I will take 3, I is equal to 3, I will take 4. So that's why I'm taking I plus plus. And after that, after all these numbers added, I will print that sum here. I will print the sum here. And after that, I have to print the reverse order also. So that's why I'm calling some function reverse order, and I'm passing this number 1, 2, 3, 4. Where it's stored? It is stored in the sum variable. It is stored in the sum variable. And I'm passing the sum, and this reverse order function will be here it is. And I'm passing sum. So what is sum? Sum is an integer, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is an integer. So this sum is here, it's coming. So int num is nothing but sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can give here sum, and you can give here num, whatever value, whatever name you can give. But the value is same, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can, if you want to give some here and here also, if you want to give some here also, you can give. You can give. But you have to change all the variables. That's it. You have to give, you have to change all the variables. That's it. That's it. Yeah, give. Let's run this program again and give 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not get the required thing. So here I have to print the remainder, right? You have to print the remainder. Let's run the program again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we got the output. So here I have printed sum. So you should all the all the numbers I'm storing in the rem variable only. So that's why I have to print rem variable. So that's it, friends. So here I'm taking I'm traversing from my less than sum. I less than sum. What is the sum? Sum is 1, 2, 3, 4. It should traverse up to I less than sum. And each time I have to take the last digit 4, 3, 2, 1. This thing will take the last digit 4, 3, 2. And after that, I'm storing each letter like it's the same thing, the same formula applying here also. Rem equal to remainder into 10 plus unit digits. So 4, 3, 2, 1 will be added like this. And after that, I will take the last digit outside. After taking last digit outside, I will get only 1 to 3. And after that, and I will take 3 also. And I will get only 12. And I will take 2 also. And I will get only 1. So each number I have to take. So that's why I'm writing this sum is equal to sum by 10. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.